Hello, I am here with how 1 cup of frozen green beans, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Break up the ground lamb as it cooks using a wooden spoon. Once the lamb is browned, remove it from the pan and set it aside. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of low-sodium chicken broth, 1/2 cup of milk, and 3 cups of mashed potatoes. To cook, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. And today, we're going to show you how to make shepherdess pie. To make this recipe, you will need 1 pound of ground lamb, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 4 cups of frozen peas and carrots. In a large skillet over medium heat, add the olive oil and then add in the ground lamb. Add the butter to the skillet, then add in the onion, carrots, and celery. Sauté for about 5 minutes or until the vegetables begin to soften. Add in the flour, salt, pepper, and thyme and cook for an additional minute, stirring constantly. Slowly whisk in the chicken broth and bring the mixture to a boil. Pour the lamb mixture into an oven-safe dish. Top the lamb mixture with the mashed potatoes. You can use a piping bag to make this step easier. Once the mixture is boiling, reduce the heat to low. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. After 15 minutes, stir in the milk, frozen peas and carrots, green beans, and the cooked lamb. In a medium saucepan, add in 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Add in the chopped potatoes and boil for about 10 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Let the shepherd's pie rest for about 5 minutes before serving. Drain the water and then add in the butter and milk. Using a potato masher, mash the potatoes until smooth. Add in the salt and pepper and set them aside. Continue to cook over low heat until the green beans are tender, about 5 minutes more. While the mixture is simmering, you can prepare your mashed potatoes. Once the lamb and vegetables are heated through, you can assemble the shepherd's pie. Bake in a preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until the mashed potatoes are lightly browned. And that's how to make shepherd's pie. Thank you for watching.